Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a what I eat in a day. So I kind of filmed some clips throughout the day and we're going to go over those. What I get started off with in the morning is a V8 energy drink. And that's the first thing I drink in the morning while I'm just laying in bed trying to wake up. I love the peach mango flavors. Those are my favorite and they're so good. After that, I'm not a huge breakfast person. Not really a ton of food that I enjoy breakfast wise. So I normally eat fruit or I'll eat oatmeal balls, which is what I have in the clip. So I eat oatmeal balls for breakfast and they are so good. They're just peanut butter, oats, honey, and some vanilla extract. And you can throw some coconut flakes in there or chocolate chips, whatever you want. So I have some chocolate chips in these. So I normally eat one or two of those in the morning and that's my breakfast. Maybe a banana or an apple, some fruit, something like that. And that's my breakfast. After that, sometime in between breakfast and lunch, I normally drink some green tea. I love green tea. I feel like it's very beneficial to your health, to your body. It has so many awesome benefits. And so I always drink multiple cups of green tea a day. But I try to drink one in between breakfast and lunch. On this particular day, my daughter had some appointments. So I was out and about with her and we just grabbed lunch. So we went to Outback. And I filmed what I got. I normally order the Alice Springs chicken without the bacon, and I forgot to order it without bacon. So I have the Alice Springs chicken, which is just grilled chicken with cheese and mushrooms. And then I always get a baked potato with just sour cream and cheese and some chives. I don't eat pork, so I don't get bacon on my potato or my chicken or anything like that. I also forgot to order no croutons on my salad. I'm not a fan of, I go gluten-free because I'm gluten intolerant. So I don't eat croutons or bread or anything like that because it just doesn't mesh well with me. So I forgot to order, so I had to pick those off too. So I forgot everything this day. Then for dinner, again, because of gluten, so I don't eat noodles or anything like that. So I make a zucchini mix with spaghetti sauce. So that's what we have for dinner. I'll show y'all a clip. So what I do is I grill some zucchini in a little pan with some butter. And then I make homemade spaghetti sauce with crushed tomatoes, basil, garlic, red pepper, and hamburger. So I have a homemade sauce recipe that I use. I made some spaghetti sauce and then I mixed it with the zucchini and then sprinkled some cheese on top. And that's what I ate for dinner. It's a good alternative to spaghetti. If you're a spaghetti fan, that's a good alternative. And then finally, it's nighttime. I normally eat around 6:30, and then I just don't eat again anymore. If I do, I'll eat a little snack, maybe some peanut butter with some pink salt and chocolate chips, something simple like that. But on this night, I didn't. I did have another cup of green tea. That kind of winds me down for the night as well. And I do the decaffeinated at night. Most of the time I do decaffeinated during the day too. Some days, if I need a little kick, I'll do the caffeinated green tea during the day. But most of the time I just do decaf all the time. But yes, I have a decaf green tea and that's what I ended my night with. So that's what I ate all in a day. If you have any questions, let me know. I try to stick to healthy, just whole foods, real foods that are non-processed. And that's kind of my go-to, my goal, if it's real. You know what I'm saying? So please comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
I dove into the deep end, 'cause I thought I could swim, but we break up every weekend. Was it gonna be like that? Oh, too bad. Playing with my mind, was that your intention? Cause I'm missing you.